What if your job, your privacy, even your creativity, was governed by an artificial intelligence? How would you feel if an algorithm had the power to influence your life in ways you can't predict or control? This isn't a dystopian novel plot, but a reality we're edging closer to every day. The question is, who's going to regulate this brave new world of AI? Not so long ago, tech leaders gathered behind closed doors in Washington, D.C. Their mission? To discuss AI regulation with legislators and industry groups. Attendees included senators, tech executives, advocates, and the likes of Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates. The consensus was clear: laws governing generative AI technology are needed. But how to approach those regulations? That's where things get a little murky. The meeting revealed a landscape of diverse views, making it challenging to nail down the specifics of the regulations. Some of the concerns raised included the need to protect the 2024 US elections against AI-fueled misinformation, the establishment of an independent AI agency, transparency in AI companies, and the impact of AI on workers' rights. But it wasn't all talk and no action. 15 notable tech companies, including Google, Microsoft, and IBM, took a step forward by signing a voluntary pledge. Their commitment is to ensure the safety and transparency of AI systems. Google even announced the Digital Futures Project, an initiative to promote responsible development of AI, pledging $20 million to think tanks and academic institutions. In the creative corner of the tech world, Adobe's generative AI tools Firefly have graduated from beta testing and are now ready for use in software like Photoshop and Illustrator. However, with great power comes a greater price tag. Adobe plans to raise subscription prices by 9 to 10% in November due to the addition of AI features. Meanwhile, copyright and intellectual property concerns surrounding AI-generated output were also put under the microscope. The conversation around AI regulation is complex and far-reaching, touching on everything from ethics and employment to creativity and commerce. In summary, the meeting in Washington was a crucial first step in the journey towards AI regulation. The consensus on the need for laws is clear, but the path to creating them remains uncertain. Key points of discussion were the need for an independent AI agency, transparency, the impact of AI on workers' rights, and copyright concerns. 15 tech companies have signed a pledge to ensure the safety and transparency of AI systems, and Google has launched an initiative to promote responsible AI development. As we continue to shape our AI-driven future, these discussions will become increasingly critical. Only through open dialogue, robust regulation, and a commitment to ethics can we ensure that AI serves us rather than the other way around.